Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the interface in a Java. We can see that what is the interface in a Java. In an interface in a Java is a blueprint of a class. It has a static, constant and abstract method. The interface in a Java is a mechanism to achieve the abstraction. There can be only abstract method in a Java interface, not a method body. It is just used to achieve the abstraction and multiple inheritance in the Java. In other words, we can say that the interface can have abstract method and variables. It cannot have a method body. Also, interface represent the is a relationship. It cannot be instantiated just like the class abstract class. Then we can use default and static method in interface. Also, we can have the private methods in interface. So next point is why use the Java interface? Why the need of the Java interface? There are mainly three reasons to important because these reasons are you can use the Java interface. First one is it is used to achieve the abstractions. Second one is by interface we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. Third one is it can be used to achieve loose coupling. These are the main reasons of the use of the in interface. Next point is the how to declare an interface. Declare an interface. Interface is declared by using the interface keyword. It provides total abstraction, means all the methods in an interface are declared with the empty body, and all the fields are public, static and final by default. Class implements an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. Syntax of the interface. Interface name in open curly bracket declare the constant fields and declare the methods that abstract by default. This is the syntax of the interface. Also, you can see the relationship between the classes and interfaces. A class is extend another class, an interface extends another interface, but a class implements an interface. We can see the example of the Java interface. In this example, the printable interface has only one method and its implementation is provided in the class. So we can see that the example interface printable in open curly bracket while print, this is the empty body, and then closing curly bracket, then we can create the class show implements printable, then in open curly bracket public void print in open curly bracket system.out.println, and we can pass the message hello, then close the brackets. We can create the main method public static void main string arguments. We can create the object of the class, show obj is equal to new show and obj dot print, then closing curly bracket. The output will be the hello. Also Java also in interface the many examples are used. Also the next example of the Java interface is interface bank, then float rate of interest, class ESBM, it implements the bank, and public float rate of interest in open curly bracket return the value. Suppose 9 from 15, f means float value, returns the float value. And the second one, witness the create the another class, class PNB. It implements the bank public float rate of interest and return the float value. Then we can create the main method, means class text interface. Then public static void means string arguments. Then bank B is equal to new SBI. And then system.out.println ROI means rate of interest is equal rate of interest single quote complete plus B dot rate of interest and close the brackets. Then output will be print the rate of interest 9.15. The next point is the multiple inheritance in a Java by interface. If a class implements multiple interface or an interface extend multiple interfaces, is known as a multiple inheritance. We can see the example of the multiple inheritance. Interface printable, then white print, closing brackets. Then we can create the another interface showable, and create the method white show. This is the empty method. Then we can create the class that implements the printable and showable. Then public white print. Then we can pass the message system.out.println hello. And second method is a public white show system.out.println welcome. Then create the main method public static void means string arguments. Create the object of the class. Class A obj is equal to new A, and obj.print and obj.show. And then output will be the print as a hello and welcome. Welcome. Next point is we can have explain multiple inheritance is not supported in a class of the in a case of class because of ambiguity. It is a supported in a case of an interface because there is no ambiguity. It is because its implementation is provided by the implementation class. For example, create the interface printable, then white print interface showable, white print class test interface is implements the printable and showable. Then public white print system.out.println hello. Then we can create the main method public static void main string arguments text interface 3 obj is equal to new text interface, then obj dot print, then output will be the hello. We can see the printable and showable interface has a same method, but its implementation is provided by the class text interface. So there is no ambiguity. Also, interface inheritance are usually in a class implements an interface, but one interface is extends another interface. We can see the example interface printable, then create the method white print, then interface showable extends printable, and method is white show. Then create the class text interface, it is implements showable public void print system, and we can pass the message system.out.println hello. Then public void show system.out.println welcome. And then we can create the main method public static void main string arguments, and then create the object of the class text interface obj is equal to new text interface, then obj dot print and obj dot show. Then output will be the hello and welcome. In interface, default method is also used. We can have a method body in interface, but we need to make it default method. For example, we can see that the for example of the default method, interface drawable while draw default while message system.out.println default message, then create the class rectangle, it implements the drawable, then create the method public file draw, then can pass the message system.out.println drawing rectangles, then class text interface defaults public static file means arguments, and create the object of the class drawable d is equal to new rectangle, and d dot draw and d dot message. The output will be the drawing rectangle and default method. Also static methods are used in interface. We can have the static method in interface. Also we have to see the example of the static method. Interface drawable while draw, then static method is declared with the static keyword, static integer cube in bracket integer x and return x into x into x. It is the x into x into x also, and create the class rectangle, it implements the drawable, then public file draw system.out.println drawing rectangles, and then create the class text interface static, create the main method, and we can create the object of the class drawable d is equal to new rectangle d dot draw, and system.out.println drawable dot cube 3, and the output will be the showing is drawing rectangle is 27. Also in a interface, marker and tag also used. So we can see the what is the marker or tagged in interface. An interface which has no member is known as marker or tagged interface. For example, serializable, remote, etc. They are used to provide some essential information to the JVM so that JVM may perform some useful operations. We can see the how to serializable interface is written: public interface serializable, and open curly and close curly. Also in a interface, we can use the nested interface in a Java. Interface can have another interface which is known as a nested interface. We can see the example of the nested interface. Interface printable wide print interface message printable and an open curly bracket, then wide message. These are the example of the interface. This all the information about the interface. Thank you so much.